What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. Happy Thursday. We're going to go over Gala Games, sitting at 0.04361, up almost 5%. Market cap. Wow, come on, crypto.com. You serious? Quickly plug my signals here, guys. We've hit all our signals this week, just 2 trades, Gala as well as ETH. I saw a nice little entry, got a sniper on that bounce there, 41%. Last week we hit all my Gala trades. My signals are free, crypto and forex, crushing it on gold and indices, US 30, NAS 100 sometimes as well. They're free, so you can gain access at the end of the video. Gala Games, nice breakout from this channel, ABC correction. Can actually go like this. So right now it looks like just 3 waves up, but there is obviously the possibility that this could be a completion of the wave 1. But if we bounce from here and we hold the wave 4, then we can put in a wave 5 and then pull back and see continuation back to the upside. If we take a fib retracement, or sorry guys, a trend-based fib extension from the bottom, this could be your wave 1 to the upside. That's a wave 2 pullback. You can see we perfectly pushed up to the 1.618 extension, which is normal for a wave 3, push up in a wave 5. So basically, let me just do it quickly for you guys. Potentially wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. If we end up breaking deeper, then there is a possibility that this wave 1 is finished. But as you can see, it does look like a 3-wave move, in my opinion. So we can continue up from here. If we see a nice push, I may enter another trade. Signal will be given in the Discord. We do have this descending triangle on the daily. However, we have started to break the neckline. If we look at the 4-hour chart, we broke it, we came back in. So if we do end up breaking out of the pattern, then you can see a straight breakout to the upside, and you can take a measurement from the base of the triangle, the body of the triangle, take it to your point of breakout. If we see a clear breakout, we can push all the way up to 0.0568, which would be very, very juicy. My investment, as my followers know, in my Discord is 0.033. That's my largest investment, is Gala Games. I'm a big believer in the project, and I know that it will do well in this bull run. As you can see, it's been one of the top movers over the last few months in the metaverse space and basically in the top 100. So that's what I'm looking at. If we can push up from here, then I would expect you to put in a wave 5 before pulling back. But if we do see more drawdown, if we do pull back a little bit further, then this wave count could be a 1 into a 2. Potentially you could start the wave count from here, but usually the wave C should be the low here. So you could be looking at a 1, 2, 3. In my opinion. That's it for this one. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN, including in North America. Once you make your first deposit, it can be $10, $100. Send me an email. I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, and Forex trades as well, which I'm giving every day, almost every day. Completely for free. If you don't want to go the BITUNIX route, you can sign up through the Patreon for $10 a month. All links down below. Smash up that like button. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.